Struggling to shop on Taobao because you don't know how to install the app? You're not alone. Whether you're looking for trendy clothes, tech gadgets, or quirky home items from China, Taobao is a goldmine, but only if you can access it. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to install the Taobao app on your phone, even if you don't speak Chinese. And stick around till the end because I'll share a bonus tip that'll help you use the app in English. Let's get into how to install the Taobao app step by step. Step 1. Open your App Store. If you're using an Android phone, open the Google Play Store. If you're on iPhone, go to the App Store. Step 2. Search for Taobao. Type Taobao in the search bar. It's usually listed as Taobao by Taobao China Software Co. Ltd. Step 3. Download the app. Tap Install or Get and wait for it to download and install on your phone. Step 4. Launch the app. Once installed, tap Open to launch the Taobao app. The interface will be in Chinese, but don't worry, I've got a bonus tip to help with that coming up next. That's it. You've successfully installed the Taobao app. Bonus tip. Here's the bonus tip I promised. You can actually use the Chrome browser's translate feature to shop on Taobao's website in English and then use the app for checkout. Also, some Android users can install Taobao Lite or use parallel translation apps to make navigating even easier. So, have you tried shopping on Taobao before? Or is this your first time? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear about your favorite finds. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss more tech tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.